This is what you call a throw and go setup. Throw in all your stuff and go camping. These are factory rims. Love these rims. It's got the Ryan light bar on it. Mike's van. My last van had some hood vents. I might need those soon for my van. It's always good to run a little cooler. Diesel. See, you don't need to be fancy. Just got a cot. That's it. Some firewood. Nice. All that space. No tent needed.